Hey fellow travelers, Nana here from Nana Traveler. The Netherlands is a storybook land of canals, tulips, and bikes, where modern energy meets old world charm. Beyond Amsterdam's iconic canals, cities like Rotterdam, Utrecht, and The Hague each offer their own unique Dutch flavor, all easily explored thanks to the country's compact size and friendly locals. Ready to discover the best of the Netherlands for solo travel? Let's dive in. So, you're dreaming of a Dutch adventure? One of the first questions to consider is, when should you visit this captivating country? Spring is undeniably famous for its breathtaking display of tulips, painting the landscape in vibrant colors. And of course, there's the unforgettable King's Day celebrations, a nationwide party filled with orange festivities. However, be prepared to navigate through larger crowds and encounter higher prices for accommodations and attractions during this peak time. Summer brings wonderfully long days, perfect for exploring, and a vibrant atmosphere with lively festivals happening all over. It's absolutely perfect for cycling through the picturesque countryside and enjoying leisurely canal cruises through Amsterdam's charming waterways. Keep in mind that summer is peak tourist season, so expect bustling streets and popular spots. If you prefer a more relaxed experience with fewer crowds, consider visiting in late spring or perhaps early autumn. The landscapes are still incredibly beautiful, but the atmosphere is noticeably more relaxed and serene. Remember that Dutch weather is notoriously unpredictable, so be sure to pack layers of clothing and, most importantly, a reliable waterproof jacket. And don't forget comfy shoes, as you'll likely be doing a lot of walking no matter the season. In winter, bundle up warmly for those chilly days. And you might even get the magical opportunity to go ice skating on the frozen canals, a truly unique experience. Flexibility is absolutely key because Dutch skies can change in a heartbeat, so be prepared for anything. Amsterdam enchants with its intricate network of canals, a shimmering tapestry reflecting the city's historic buildings. Glide along the waterways and soak in the unique atmosphere. Explore world-class museums, home to masterpieces that span centuries and cultures. From the Dutch masters to modern art, there is something to captivate every art lover. And discover vibrant neighborhoods connected, each with its own distinct character and charm. Wander through the Jordan with its narrow streets and hidden courtyards and experience the authentic Amsterdam lifestyle. It's perfect for solo wandering, whether you prefer to explore by foot, taking in the sights at your own pace, or by bike, joining the locals on two wheels. Rotterdam's bold modern architecture is a testament to the city's innovative spirit. See the iconic Erasmus Bridge and the quirky cube houses, and its creative food halls offer a culinary adventure for every palate. Sample local delicacies and international flavors in a vibrant, bustling atmosphere. This striking contrast is just a short train ride away, making it easy to experience the best of both worlds. Utrecht charms with its unique two-level canals, a distinctive feature that sets it apart. Explore the wharf cellars, now home to cafes and restaurants, and its cozy cafes offer the perfect spot to relax and soak in the atmosphere. Enjoy a coffee or a meal by the water's edge. It's ideal for experiencing a relaxed local vibe away from the hustle and bustle of the bigger cities. Climb the Dom Tower for panoramic city views that stretch for miles. It's a climb worth making for the breathtaking scenery. Or explore waterside restaurants, offering a delightful dining experience with a picturesque backdrop. The Hague, home to Dutch royalty and international courts, exudes an air of elegance and sophistication. It blends stately museums, showcasing world-renowned art and historical artifacts, and it offers easy access to Scheveningen Beach, where you can enjoy the sea breeze and the vibrant seaside atmosphere. Each city is safe, walkable, and packed with solo-friendly adventures, making it easy to explore at your own pace and discover hidden gems. Wherever you go, you'll find a welcoming Dutch spirit, ready to make your journey unforgettable. Dutch food is simple, hearty, and delicious. Grab a fresh stroopwafel at a market. Gooey caramel between crisp waffles is a must. Try Bruges herring, the classic raw herring sandwich with onions and pickles. Don't knock it till you try it. Warm up with thick, twice-fried Dutch fries loaded with mayo or satay sauce. For comfort food, order sandpot, a rich split pea soup. These treats are perfect for fueling your solo adventures. The Netherlands, while undeniably beautiful and brimming with unique experiences, isn't exactly known for being a budget destination. In fact, it can be quite pricey, especially when compared to other European countries. But don't let that deter you. It's absolutely manageable, even enjoyable for solo travelers who are savvy and plan ahead. With a bit of smart budgeting, you can experience the best of what the Netherlands has to offer without breaking the bank. When it comes to accommodation, hostels and budget hotels are undoubtedly your best bet for keeping costs down. To snag the best deals, especially if you're planning to visit during the popular spring tulip season or the warm summer months, make sure to book your accommodation well in advance. Food costs can quickly add up, so save on meals by grabbing delicious and affordable snacks from local markets. Alternatively, pack a picnic and enjoy a relaxing meal in one of Amsterdam's many beautiful city parks like the famous Vondelpark. For getting around, invest in an OV Chipkaart. This public transport card offers easy and affordable travel on trains, allowing you to explore different cities and regions with ease. It also works on trams, which are a convenient way to navigate within cities like Amsterdam, and buses, providing comprehensive coverage across the country. While in Amsterdam, don't miss the quintessential experience of a canal cruise, offering a unique perspective on the city's charming waterways. For a more local experience, rent a bike and embark on a leisurely ride through the city's diverse and picturesque neighborhoods. Or if you're visiting Utrecht, consider renting a paddle boat and exploring the canals at your own pace. Museum fans, and the Netherlands has plenty of world-class museums, should seriously consider purchasing a museum cart, which offers significant discounts and free entry to a wide range of museums across the country. With its remarkably safe cities, incredibly friendly and welcoming locals, an endless array of solo-friendly sites and activities, the Netherlands is an ideal destination for independent exploration. So pack your bags and get ready to discover why the Netherlands is the perfect choice for your next unforgettable adventure. See you next time.